So here we have the Moonraker Minor Plus, which was a new radio that I have been doing. If you looked at the previous video, about 35 minutes into the video, the radio blows up. And it says it's on the box, it's 24 volts. So I applied 24 volts and it blew up. And when I took the capacitor out, which had blown up, the capacitor was 16 volt rated, so I don't know how that was going to be. So as presented, the radio came in doing 2.7 watts, and I've been unable to get more than 3.1 watts out of it. So that's a little bit disappointing. But other than that, it seems alright. But of course, the proof of the pudding's in the eating, and that's why we do these tests. So see whether Mr. Chippie's out there. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, do you copy?
Tango 21 copied. Yeah, I've just put the CBA back on the car. I had to take it off with us having the ham area on yesterday because they were clanging against each other.
Yep, Roger, that's fine.
Right, we'll come up towards the end of the lane.
Roger got you the end of the lane.
Right, we're now going past Ancaster service station.
Roger got you going past Ancaster service station.
Right, we're now going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Right, we're now passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Lincolnshire.
Roger got you at the top of the hill.
Tango 21 from Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilson. Over.
Roger got you going round Scratchy Corner, that sounds fine. The radio's doing 3.1 watt over.
Roger that. I reckon you could turn the voltage up to get more out of it. I don't know what you think about that.
Yeah, what, like 24?
Yeah, well, it's 24 volt set, so there's no problem there.
Yeah. Been down that avenue.
Have you? Oh, really?
It blew up.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, my overhead camera's still coughing from all the smoke.
Right, we're now going over Wilford Level Crossing.
Roger got you going over Wilsford Level Crossing.
Right, we're now passing the Kelby turn.
Roger got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Right, we're now passing the Greylands turn.
Roger got you loud and clear at the Greyleys turn.
Roger that. Well, it's working well.
Yeah, Roger.
Tango 21 from Chippie. We're now going over Rawsby Level Crossing. Over.
Roger got you going over Rawsby Level Crossing, and that's fine. That concludes the test. Thank you.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
10-10. Now, before we go over to our base station, I was going to put it into the Zetagi meter because my 3.1 watts can be very different to what a hobby type meter says. So, find the other end of that lead. So it's 3.1 watt on the Marconi test set, and it's about 3.8 on that, which is about 10 to 20% fast. So there you go.
Tango 21 testing the Moonraker Minor Plus into our Harrier CBHQ base station. This is a 2021 set, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and this is the factory original mic. Thank you for watching.